What are leavening agents?
Leavening agents are substances that cause dough and batter to expand, creating the soft, airy textures we love in bread, cakes, and pastries. They work by releasing gases, which form bubbles inside the dough. As these bubbles grow and set during baking, they help give baked goods their volume and lightness. Without leavening agents, most baked items would be dense and flat.
Biological leaveners, the role of yeast.
Yeast is a living organism used in baking to help dough rise. When fed sugar, yeast ferments and produces carbon dioxide gas and alcohol. The gas gets trapped in the dough, forming tiny bubbles that make bread light and airy. Yeast also adds unique flavors to baked goods by creating other byproducts during fermentation.
Chemical leaveners, baking soda and baking powder.
Baking soda and baking powder are common chemical leaveners. Baking soda reacts with acids, such as lemon juice or buttermilk, to produce carbon dioxide gas. Baking powder contains both an acid and a base, allowing it to release gas when mixed with liquid and heat. These reactions quickly create bubbles, helping cakes and cookies puff up in the oven.
Physical leavening, steam and air.
Not all leavening comes from yeast or chemicals. Sometimes simply incorporating air or moisture does the trick. For example, whisking eggs into a batter creates air pockets, while high heat turns water into steam inside pastry dough. Both methods rapidly expand the dough, leading to flaky textures in popovers, puff pastry, and soufflés.
Why proper leavening matters.
Using the right leavening agent is essential for achieving the texture and taste you expect in baked goods. Too little leavening can make bread dense, while too much can cause it to collapse. Understanding how different leaveners work helps bakers choose the best one for each recipe, ensuring consistently delicious results every time.